Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of Corel Draw for the Woodworker. Corel also helped me figure out how many pieces of wood I made to make this 48-inch table. And if you didn't watch the first one, it came out pretty good. And let's see if I can get to that picture. And cut it out round. So to make sure that I had enough wood, I'm using 2x6 cedar. 2x6 is actually 5.5 inches wide. And then I joined the pieces on a joiner to get a good clean joint. And I also used a Festool domino to seize or to line them together anyway. But anyway, so I need 2 boards that are 50 inches long, basically 2 at 49, 2 at 46, 2 at 38, and 2 at 33. And then that kind of showed me, and it looks like there's a lot of waste, but by the time you join off that 1/16 of an inch or so on each side, that whole thing will kind of creep in and not waste so much wood. And then to just make sure I did it, I took put a screw in the center and ran a pencil with a magic marker just to make sure I had plenty of room. And then, as in the first video, I made that router device that looks like this. And if you didn't watch the first one, and this was really easy to draw. I mean, just a little bit of math, a little bit of measuring precisely. And then that's what it looks like when it's cut into a circle. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.